Local news for Friday the 26th of May. 7 Wairarapa schools are included as more school students than ever before will be running their own mock elections this September through the Electoral Commission's Kids Voting Programme. More than 100,000 students from 541 schools are already registered for kids voting, and more schools are expected to sign up before the general election in September. So far, the 7 Wairarapa schools included, they are the likes of Wairarapa College, Tanui, St Patrick's, Hadlow and Whareama. Wairarapa will feature on Sunday night's episode of Country Calendar. The show will feature South Wairarapa's tourist station and screens at 7 p.m. on TV1. And it's congratulations to New Zealand Cycle Classic race director George Sandoval, who received a Lifetime Service Award recently from Cycling New Zealand. UCO Wairarapa has opened its doors to raise money and awareness in support of the Pink Ribbon Breakfast initiative. The Pink Ribbon Breakfast was hosted at UCOL by chef lecturer Kitty McDonald, who cooked up more than her usual brekkie. 22 women from the local Women in Business Network enjoyed the opportunity to network. The breakfast raised $655 and overall UCOL's raised $1,500. Campus manager Maria McKenzie says we saw this as an opportunity to connect, inspire and support women. And in sport, round 2 of the Premier Club Rugby competition begins tomorrow. East Coast will host Gladstone. Eketahuna will be at home to Marist. Martinborough will look to build on last week's win as they host round 1 winners Greytown, and Pioneer play Carterton. For local news and sport, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.